Realme started 2024 with a bang, coming out with the Realme 12 Plus and the Realme 12 Pro Plus. Now, if you've been following our channel, we were super impressed with the camera capabilities of the Realme 12 Pro Plus. And right now, it's looking to be one of the best camera phones that you can get for the money. And now, Realme is bringing the Realme 12 5G into the Philippines. So with that being said, let's go ahead and unpack this thing. So this is the complete package. When you buy the Realme 12, you get a phone, 45-watt charger, and a free jelly case. This phone runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset. You have 8 gigs of internal memory with RAM expansion or virtual RAM up to 8 gigabytes. So this phone runs on Realme UI 5.0 and Android 14, and as you can see, we are already up to date as of the time of shooting this video. Okay, so we just finished setting up the phone, and as I'm looking through the home screen, I'm noticing a few things. First, the Google Discover page appears to be disabled on this phone. I have no idea if you can enable it, but for other Realme 12 devices, there is a Discover page when you swipe right from the home screen, and then when you swipe left, you can see that this phone has bunch of preloaded apps, a little bit more than what we're used to seeing. So aside from Facebook, Netflix, you also got Lazada, TikTok, Shopee, Booking, more apps, LinkedIn, and a bunch of other games. And then you get these 3 apps right here, which automatically got installed. So you got Temu, Piano Hub, and this game Tile Master. I don't know if it's even possible to skip the installation of these apps, but as I'm looking through my home screen, I can see that it's quite cluttered and bloated. All I'm thinking is that this phone better be budget friendly. Just saying, guys. Let's check out the display settings. There's an extra brightness option right here, which allows you to go beyond the normal brightness. So I'm going over the wallpaper and style settings of this phone, and I just noticed that it doesn't have always on display. We're in YouTube and I'm trying to play a 4K HDR source, but as you can see, HDR is not supported. There's no HDR option right here, and the highest resolution that we can play is 1440p 60 FPS. Looking at the Netflix playback capabilities, we do have Wi-Fi and L1 support, which is great. It means that we will be able to play DRM protected content in full HD. No HDR though. Colors are really good and the viewing angles are also good. I don't see any shift in the colors when you try to change your viewing angle. And then when it comes to the audio, you have dual loudspeakers. And what's good about this is that it still retains the 3.5 millimeter audio jack. Okay, let's go ahead and explore the camera system. So this phone packs a 108 megapixel main sensor as well as an 8 megapixel selfie camera. Now there is an additional 2 megapixel auxiliary lens. We're not sure what exactly it does, but it is not usable. There is no macro sensor. There is no ultra wide sensor. We're gonna go ahead and take some sample photos and videos, and we will project that on the screen so that you can judge for yourself. And if you like what you see, just let us know in the comment section. Aesthetically, I must say that this is a good looking phone from the back. Now, if you look at it from the front, it kind of looks like a budget device. You still have a really thick chin, and then the display panel just isn't as good as the Realme 12 Plus or the Realme 12 Pro Plus, which comes with really good AMOLED displays. Now, with that being said, you get 5G and you get decent performance with the MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset. Now, we're really happy to see that this phone comes with Realme UI 5 and Android 14 out of the box. We're going to be running some tests and benchmarks. We'll also be shooting a dedicated gaming video, which we will be uploading to our YouTube channel. So watch out for more content on the Realme 12. And in the meantime, if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments section. And we'll see you guys there. Paalam!